Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. I'm trying to keep the video simple and short. So I kind of marked my spots with the masking tape so I could pretty much use adhesive promoter that comes with the aprons, of course, to use the adhesive promoter against this line straight up and bottom, of course, as well. So this way I'm not like using it all around the panel. I like to use that as my guidance on my install as well. You can see his guy's also done. I put some adhesive promotion on this as well, promoter, and then I put the Gorilla 3M tape on it. Make sure it's warm and nice when you're doing this, not like cold and freezing. So I'm just gonna rip this part apart. I mean, this part right here away, and then this is the top side, so I could peel as I go. This is for the bottom side. You could also use masking tape to kind of hold it there so you don't lose it anywhere, but I don't have that many here. See, bottom one's out. Yeah, I got a flu, guys, so bear with me. Still making you guys some good content. Just holding the bottom part first really tight to make sure it sticks. Let's try this. Small gap here. We can close it by heating this up. All right, now doing the passenger side, I usually remove the bottom parts of the Gorilla 3M tape, like so. I removed that plastic piece off of it. Only the top one is remaining. And then this is my guideline right here. But before I do that, I just want to make sure it fits in perfect in the bottom and flushes at the end as well. And then I will let the rest do its own job, kind of, as long as I make sure I'm good on that end. My whole point is to make sure this lines up perfectly up here and then do the rest. Like, I like to have this lined up on the diffuser. I usually start from there and then work my way in the bottom part, make sure everything is good. Bottom part looks good. Trying to see if there's something blocking it or not. Like, this is how I want it. So the bottom is sticking good. It's flushed in. So now I'm just gonna start peeling this off halfway. Make sure it sticks really good. Gonna use my forearm on it all the way. Press it for like 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure it's stable. All right, that's how it looks. Pretty much done. All right, well done. Looks really good. Now what we're missing is that side skirt up there in the middle. But yeah, the aerodynamics on this thing is awesome actually. It looks really good. Move back a little bit. Diffuser, side angle. Oh, looks good. Alright guys, that's it. Peace out until next time. Gonna be doing the side skirts next. You guys already know.